First DoorDash order of the night, $9.75 for 7.8 at Freddy's, and it's gonna stay right there. Stop playing with me. Next up, we got $4.25 for 3.4 over at Wingstop, where they got them wings hot, but not for me, cause look at here. I'm not a top dasher, I'm a top shopper. Next up, we got a whopping $6 for 5.6 miles coming in at McDonald's. Mickey D's, Mickey please. No sirski, we is not taking that. See, what you gotta realize is I need at least $12 on an order like this. It's dinner time, it's the prime time. We got everybody trying to eat, including me. I'm not taking it. But DoorDash is not playing tonight. They are sending all the trash offers. We got $7 for 10.6 miles at McAllister's Deli. And it's gonna stay right over there. That's looking a little bit better, DoorDash. $6.25 plus. Had to decline 4 offers to get this one, but hey, I'll take it. Cause look at her, this is what you gotta realize. It's dinner time, it's the prime time. Everybody ordering them big old entrees and them big old plates and them big old platter. Now this just a bag of wings from the Wingstop, but it's all good though. Still a great order. If I would've took any one of them other orders, what they sent me about 5, 6 orders. If I would've took any one of them other orders, that would've been a 30, 40 minute order. No matter how you slice it. All them orders was long distance. Now, hey, I get it. Them people over there need food too. They trying to order them some dinner. I get it. I understand, but what you gotta realize is I need either you or DoorDash to pay me a little bit more if you want me to drive all the way over there, because I can't make no, hey, I'm trying to make profit. I'm not out here for charity. You want some charity food, hit up the food bank, can take their sweet time bringing you the food, because look at her, when it's dinner time and you ordering, I need them good tips, and if you want their food fast and hot. First DoorDash order of this dinner shift, $6.50 plus. Let's get this money, take a photo. Don't mind if I do. Ring the doorbell. Oh snaps, they got a dog. Time to skedaddle. Easy money. $7.25, 3.9 miles. Man, if it said a plus sign, then I would have known it would have been a catering order, but it ain't. And it's all good too. We heard now they got curbside pickup. They actually bring the order right out to you. So it's all good. This is the next order. Only, it says 3.9, but really that was, most of the distance was it calling me to over here to the restaurant. This is a 1 mile delivery, guys, and this is gonna keep the wheels rolling. I may actually be able to get 4 orders done this hour. We are dropping off our second DoorDash order of the night. And wouldn't you know it, these folks got a Chipotle order at the door too. That's crazy. So you know they be ordering. But they be tipping too, so that's all that matter to me. All right, now we gotta get that picture. Yes, sir, and we out. 2 orders in the first 20 minutes. That's how you maximize. DoorDash been blessing me on these orders. I need them to keep that up. See how long it take to get this next one. Order number 3, stop playing with me. We got $7.75, just enough to pay the rent, 3.6 miles at Chick-fil-A, and you already know what I'm about to say. I'm about to pull up to that chicken spot where they got that chicken hot. Stop playing with me. I'm also about to stack it with this Taco Bell. $10.73, 4 miles Taco Bell. This is about to be a $30 hour. Let's get it. These orders coming in tonight. This is the 3rd order already in the first 25 minutes. And I already got order number 4, about to go grab that. Might even be a 5 order hour. Let's see. Thank you. No, you good. Thank you. Let's see. Yep. And my order is good right there. Order ready to go. Chick-fil-A jamming tonight. They got them orders in there. They getting them out. I seen 3 orders ready to go. DoorDash order number 3 right here. Chick-fil-A. Hey, my Chick-fil-A, my Wingstop, my Chipotle. These are places that I find myself picking up from more than usual. Those my money-making spots. You gotta know which ones are your money-making spots in your zone. That way you can do your best to stay busy. $7.75 stays $7.75, and I'm cool with it. Let's get it. Yes, sir. You already know we dropping off that Taco Bell for that taco smell. Stop playing with me. That order right there makes $30 in the first hour. And if I hurry up, I might be able to get something else too. We got ourselves another $5 order at Chick-fil-A. I was hoping for something higher, but I figured, hey, they sent me this. You know, it's something that I normally would take. Even though it's dinner time and I'm looking for something paying a little bit more, it's cool. I figured I'd take this one. I'll make something happen with that. So we here now. We at Chick-fil-A. Not a super high paying order like DoorDash claimed, but still a good order though. Still gonna accept it in a slow time or a busy time. And the good thing is it keeps me close to the merchants so that I can get my next order. It's really all that matters. Set that down, get that photo. Hold on, can't get a blurry one. I need one that's clear. There we go, clear picture, and we out. Altogether, that delivery took 10 minutes. The order was ready when I got there. In and out, 2 miles away, within the zone. Let's get it. Next order on the tally after doing that Chick-fil-A order, we got $3 even for 8.5 miles. I mean, just disrespectful. I guess DoorDash expect us to hope for a cash tip. Next up after that, we got $9.25 for 4.1 miles. And honestly, this is a great offer. You know, it's 2 to 1 miles to money ratio. Pizza Hut from that pizza spot. But I'm not going 4 miles away, and my Pizza Hut sometimes have me waiting. So I let that one go. Offer I would normally take, but I said, you know what, I think I'm gonna get something better. I'm gonna leave it alone. So I got this one right here, $5.25, less than a mile. And then the best part about it is, boom, they stacked it. So I still got the same $10 I would have got, and I did it only for 1 mile of driving. This is how you maximize, guys. Instead of having a $10 order that was taking me 5 miles away, would have had to drive 5 miles back, I got that same $10, actually more, with way less mileage, a total of 1.4 in mileage. That's how you maximize. And now that I got those two dropped off, they was right next to each other. The houses were right on top of each other almost. We looking on this order right here, $9.75 plus 54th Street. It ain't no caterade, but it's all good though. We here now. I done already checked in, so we good to go. Dropping off this 54th Street, we got $9.75 plus for 2 miles. Let's get it. Easy money. This order puts me at $70 on the night. Let's get it. Let me grab this so I can take this picture. Boom, smack, and we out. Let's see what $9.75 turns into. $14.25. Let's go. $7.75 plus 2.1 miles at McDonald's, and we already here. As you can see right there, we already at McDonald's, getting ready to hop up in there now. But guess what? Uber Eats decided to bless me. Look at that. We got $5, 1 mile, Buffalo Wild Wings. And that's right over there, right across the street. Next order, we got $15.73 for 5 miles, 2 pickups at Jersey Mike's. You know I had to hop on top of that. And then it gets even better, guys. DoorDash blessed me. $8.75. Sorry about that. $8.75, 3.2 miles. And then they sent me an add-on, an additional $70 at Jersey Mike's. And my 2 Uber Eats orders was already at Jersey Mike's. So we jamming, y'all. Head on in the Wingstop and grab this order. This right here, you got $15 on DoorDash, another $15 on Uber. That's a $30 hour right there. Dropping off another DoorDash order. They got the first Uber Eats order dropped off. Now this is the first part of my DoorDash stack. I got 2 more drop-offs to go, and that's gonna be an easy $30. This one here is DoorDash order number 2, and lucky me, it was right down the street. Nice, easy drop-off. Too bad you can't see nothing, but that's okay. I know how to fix that. We just got a banger, $13.75 for 5.5. Let's go. Alrighty, Dashers, we made it to our delivery pickup destination, Bella Milano's. It's great to know which merchants give you catering offers in your area. Bella Milano's, Cracker Barrel, Chipotle. It's like 3-4 spots to give you catering orders, and this is gonna be one of them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are dropping off our order right now. What we got? Bella Milano. Yeah, let's go ahead and drop that off. Got them in the catering bag. Let's get it. Awesome shift today, guys. We made over $100 on this shift. I don't even know how much. Another high paying offer. I'm gonna have to take it because I'm making that money. Yes, sir. You see it. We are sitting at $103.23 over here on DoorDash. This is the best single DoorDash shift I've had in a very, very long time. Now, I'm used to running it up, but I'll be having to break it up between. Now, this is the first time in a long time, and this might be the sign of a change that I might have to go ahead and put that time in on DoorDash. Well, I was getting ready to be done. I really was. But then they sent me this. $7.25, 2.7, I had to take it. We pulling up to the chicken spot. They got that chicken hot. I cannot be stopped. I'm the fastest dasher alive, the greatest dasher in the whole Milky Way, the most exclusive dasher on the whole planet. Stop playing with me. We getting that money. 110 on Doordash. Over the course of this whole weekend, I think I've been to this Chick-fil-A probably about 10 times. I've been over there to Chipotle probably about 9 times. Been at Hawaiian Bros probably like 8 times. Shopping delivers. That's how you get that money. No orders ready. It's all good though. Most of the orders I picked up today been ready, so I'll wait on. Alrighty guys, we got the chicken in the car. We heading out. And that seatbelt be so annoying sometimes. Almost as annoying as all this construction they got going on. I mean, they literally been doing this since March. How long is it gonna be? I need my easy access to my chicken spot. Alrighty, FDA family. This just might be the last order of the night, guys. We sitting at $110 on Doordash, another $30 on Uber Eats, 140 bucks, guys, in 3 hours and 45 minutes. Using multiple apps. Only the best orders. This is how you maximize, guys. Look, we say this every single day on this channel. The more apps you have, better off you'll be. The more money you're gonna be able to make. As you can see, I did over $250 today, working less than 8 hours, guys. I'm trying to tell you, get you a red card, get you some priority, raise that acceptance rate on DoorDash, get that money.